I jump off, never run up at the mouth no more. I jump off, never ask why I come out no more. I jump off, never had me going out of my way. You don't want to and I'm bound to stay. I jump off and argue and keep rebellion. And she don't mind hanging out with the fella. I jump off, nothing secure and selling.
The baddest Mother's Day present buyer. And by bad, I mean good, and by good, I mean great. Let's start the battle with this real estate. What's up, party people? We got two crews alike in dignity, and they gonna work it, no diggity. They gonna hey. Oh man, oh. We was grooving. Who are you guys? Supersonic Crew, make some noise! Alright, Supersonic Crew sound like they're gonna make a supersonic man out of you, so don't stop them now.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. It was alright, okay. Over here, we got them boys with the toys that makes the most noise. The Groundbreakers. The Sound Makers. Let me not forget this hunk of love and luck. She's the biggest, she's the baddest, she's the rhythm truck! You guys got something else you want to get?
Yo, enough talking, let's battle!
Okay, Supersonic Crew, I see y'all ready to clash. Well, my brothers with the B seem ready to smash! see it get low. You want this boy, now take it to the floor. Anything you need to ask, you can keep your ass where you at. Okay, alright. These guys are losing their mind. If you like what you see, let me hear you say, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Alright, decisions. Yo, beat shakers, check this. I'm the king of the hill, if the hill was a truck. Decipher you step into when you all either left by spin, clothes and show. I rule with benevolence. I can't choose cause it don't make any sense. I can't pick a winner. You got a better idea?
Let the beautiful people decide who's the winner. Make some noise! Okay, they don't like it.
I like the announcer voice. All right, so now good kings can admit sometimes it's hard to see. So I rise up and call a time of democracy. And all of you will be the judge of this dancing drum explosion. My ladies and my gents, you be the tribe that's spoken. So let's up the ante, let's raise the stakes. Let's see each of these crews can teach you their shakes. So we're gonna pick two people from the crowd. They're gonna teach you as much as possible, and then you're gonna go head to head for a final battle royale. So let's get ready to rumble! Who do we have? All right, we got some people coming up over here. Who do we have in the audience? All right, let's go ahead and get some names. All right, what's your name? Ethan, where you from? Ethan from China, make some noise, ni hao. All right, and what's your name? Michael, where you from? Oh, China. Also, China, represent. Oh, I need. All right, so all they gotta do is follow whatever the crew members give them. First up, we're gonna have the beat shakers drop the beat. Let's go! Everybody clap their hands. Let's go. Let's go, Ethan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Ethan. Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8, pose. Good job, Ethan. All right. Here we go, Michael. And 5, 6, supersonic crew. Here we go. All right. And 5, 6, and pose. All right. That was good. You know what? We're gonna do one more round, but here we go. Beat shakers, spice it up a little bit. Ethan with the beats. That was good, everybody. That was good. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Before we exit out, we're gonna take a photo real quick. So on 3, 1, 2, 3. Cheers! Give them a round of applause. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Ethan. Now it's time to pick a winner. So here we go. If you think Supersonic Crew should win, make some noise. If you think Beat Shaker should win, make some noise. You know what? It's so crazy out here. You get some crazy, and you get some crazy. You know what? I'm crazy, because I'm not gonna pick a winner. Both of you guys get chicken dinner. Supersonic Crew, Beat Shakers, you both win. How about that? So, we're gonna turn up one more time. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Yeah. Turn the music 'cause the song just came on. Turn the music if you try to turn us down. Turn the music when I hear it till the speakers blow. Turn the music till you bring it down. Tell me, oh yeah. Thank you, everybody. One more big round of applause for Supersonic Crew and Beat Shakers. All right. I'm MC King Cypher. Have a beautiful day at Universe Studios, Singapore. Peace out.